How to delete your TikTok now. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can delete your TikTok now post. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to delete your TikTok Now post, it's very simple. First, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok Now app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok Now, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok Now application, I want you to go over and simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Well, after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. In order to delete your TikTok Now which you have posted, let's say, you have to come to your profile page from the bottom right corner first, and then select the memories which you want to download, or else you can tap on the memories button to see more of the options over here, and just tap on the one that you want to delete. Let's say that this is the particular post. Then tap on the three dots which you see on the top right hand side of the screen, and at the bottom you'll see all this type of options. Just go to the one that says delete. As you tap on the delete option, you can select delete this now, or delete and retake and delete it. So you can just go ahead and select any of the options. So I want to permanently delete it, so I'll just tap on the delete button over here. And once I refresh it, that particular TikTok Now is also going to be removed from my feed, so as you can see over here. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then delete your TikTok Now. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.